Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change Google Spreadsheet border color. Open your Google Spreadsheet and click this top left corner cell and select all of this whole Google sheet. Again click here and now select it. Now click on this border option and I will select all border option and click on this color option. You can add here color. Now see this change. Also you can add this color. I see this. Again select here. Now click here custom color option. I will add this color. Now select OK. I see this. And I will add this dotted border and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.